Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, September 14th, 2017. Well, it is a muggy day out there as the remnants of Irma is moving through the region, and really it's just producing more cloud cover and muggy conditions and some fog than any type of heavy rainfall. But there is a threat for a few heavy downpours today as the remnants lifts to the northeast through the region. Winds are from the southwest around 5 to 15 miles per hour, and temperatures range from the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior and upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast and in your urban areas. Some of this fog is locally dense, with visibility reduced below 3 miles at times. Now, the radar has more bark than bite here. It's really not producing any type of heavy downpours or any way, shape, or form down towards the coastal region, or should I say right around New Jersey and New York City metro. In fact, for the most part, a lot of this is just cloud cover. It's not even reaching the ground, but you are getting a heavy downpour here and there. The majority of the rainfall is found over western New York on the backside of what used to be Irma, the low-level circulation, which you can find right about here. Now, for the rest of the day, all this tropical moisture is going to stream northward. But again, it's not going to produce widespread rainfall. Just if you get hit by a shower, it's going to produce that heavy downpour. And if not, it's just going to be muggy and cloudy all day. So when we take a look at the infrared satellite picture, notice the cloud tops are warming. That means weakening. That means the lifting is weakening as this low pressure system is lifting to the north and east. But we still have plenty of moisture in the atmosphere, thus a threat for a shower or two. Again, that's going to continue to be a threat on through tomorrow morning before we start to clear out. Meanwhile, down here is Hurricane Jose. Hurricane Jose has winds of 75 miles per hour and is finally starting to inch towards the west. Jose is expected to track towards about in between North Carolina and Bermuda and then head out into the Atlantic. There is a chance, a slight chance, that Jose is able to approach the mid-Atlantic coast and get a bit closer before getting kicked out by a cold front that will approach on Monday night into Tuesday. We'll have to watch it very carefully. At the very least for this weekend through early next week, expect for enhanced surf, strong riptides, and also some minor to moderate coastal flooding with some beach erosion as the oceans will be stirring up quite a bit. So let's dive into the forecast here. For this afternoon, a threat for a few widely scattered isolated showers, capable of a heavy downpour, highs in the mid to upper 70s. For tonight, sky cloud cover, a few isolated showers will be a threat, lows tomorrow in the lower to mid 60s. For tomorrow afternoon, a few isolated showers still a threat, but for the most part, scattered cloud cover is expected with highs in the mid 70s along the coast and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, high pressure will be in place. Can't rule out an extremely isolated shower, but for the most part, we're looking at dry weather conditions. Relatively a very nice weekend is on the way. Lows in the mid 60s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. On Sunday, high pressure and complete control with scattered cloud cover. Lows in the mid 60s, highs in the mid 70s along the coast and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Monday, clouds start to increase as the high pressure system starts to exit. Out here you could see Jose. Now the forecast from the National Weather Service keeps Jose well out in the Atlantic. But again, we're going to watch to see just how close this tropical storm gets before this cold front is able to kick it out. So look for sky cloud cover increasing, a bit windy. Lows in the mid 60s, highs in the lower to mid 70s. On Tuesday, the cold front moves through. We'll watch out to see what happens with Jose. Does it stay far enough out to have very limited impacts, or does it get close enough to produce some scattered showers and some windy conditions? I'm not looking at a full impact here, ladies and gentlemen, but we do have to watch this very carefully. Look for lows in the mid 60s, highs in the lower to mid 70s. On Wednesday, high pressure takes control with clearing skies. Lows in the mid 60s, highs in the mid 70s along the coast and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. And on Thursday, high pressure and complete control. Clear skies to sky cloud cover. Lows in the lower to mid 60s. Highs in the lower to mid 70s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather. And as always, stay safe out there.